Welcome back everybody. Today we're camping in the district of Piketberg. We're driving up the Versfeldpass. The original pass was built by John Versfeld within 3 months with only 16 laborers. Quite a piece of work. The pass in use today is quite a beautiful drive with magnificent views and a lot of twists and turns to it. Up in the mountain you will find Kruistementvlei. It's a real jewel and it's an eco-friendly campsite high up in the mountain. It's one of the few places near Cape Town that it feels like you're camping in the middle of the bush, and in the middle of the night I could hear absolute silence. It was really divine. It is one big camp and there's no demarcated campsites. You can just pitch up and pick a spot that you like, or you can book out the whole campsite and then you and your friends can enjoy the privacy of having the camp to yourself. There is no electricity and you can use your solar panels if you want to run a fridge or other electrical appliances. A couple of trees provide for much needed shade in the summertime, and there's a walkway that you can do if you want to go and admire the scenery. This braai in the rock is really one of the most unique ones I've ever encountered in a campsite. The braai is shielded from the wind and we sat until late at night next to the fire. It had a lot of atmosphere to it. There's even a couple of Bushman paintings that you can see in the campsite. The kitchen area is equipped for the basic needs of 20 people. There's mugs, plates, utensils, a gas stove with a coffee pot and a couple of pots and pans as well. The kitchen sink is provided by hot water from the donkey that is just outside. The toilet is a short walk away from the basic camp and it's eco-friendly and very, very neat. There are 2 showers available at the campsite. This one is a cold water shower. Thanks to the donkey, you can also have a nice warm shower in winter days. Sava and I went hiking on one of the trails that is available on the farm. It's well marked and this one was quite an easy walk to do. You can enjoy some of the indigenous plants along the way. If you're not a keen camper, they've made provision for you as well. Kruistementvlei is a beautiful, rustic, tranquil, peaceful campsite. It is really well kept and we can't wait to go back there again. On one of the hiking trails there's a cute little area where you can sip on your sundowner and watch the sunset over the beautiful Boland mountains. It's really special. Thank you for watching our video. If you've liked it, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon again. Happy camping!